Badgers are the shit.
Badgers are awesome.
I just love that they come in and tell everybody, get the fuck out of here.
And everyone's
Crazy.
like,
Everyone's like, what are you doing?
they like go after like they attack like big cats, and big cats are like
They attack lions.
Yeah,
Lions like, what the fuck are you doing? Fuck off. Fuck off.
fucking kill me.
You're 30 pounds. Fuck off.
It's the funniest animal possible. Look at that badger. Nothing. This is nothing to me.
What? Look at these jaguars are trying to kill him. He's like, fuck off. Leave me alone, bitch. Bitch. Fuck are you doing, bitch? Fuck are you doing, bitch? I'm gonna bite your dick. I'm gonna bite your dick. He's going right for the dick. Look at the cat's trying to kill him. He's like, nope, you can't kill me.